Hi, my name is Landon Chandler. I work for U of I Extension, and today we're going to be making a chicken enchilada casserole. So if you like Mexican food, this is a perfect dish to add to your collection. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently rub vegetables under cold running water. Spray medium skillet with non-stick cooking spray. Add half cup chopped yellow onion, half cup chopped green bell peppers, and 1 cup of sliced mushrooms and saute 5 to 10 minutes over medium-high heat until vegetables are tender. Mix together 2 cups of cooked shredded chicken or canned chicken, your cooked vegetables, 1/4 cup of red enchilada sauce, and a half cup of queso or shredded cheddar cheese. Spray an 8-inch by 8-inch baking dish with non-stick cooking spray. Add 1/4 cup of red enchilada sauce to the bottom of the dish, then add 4 corn tortillas on top. Spread out to cover the entire dish. Add half of the vegetable and chicken mixture to tortillas, then another 1/4 cup of enchilada sauce. Repeat these steps to create additional layers. Cover casserole with remaining 4 tortillas, 1/4 cup of enchilada sauce, and remaining half cup of cheese. Cover dish with foil and bake for 25 minutes. Remove foil and bake additional 5 to 10 minutes until all cheese is melted.
Eat, Move, Save.